Hello guys, today we are playing... What the... So slow. At least I'm gonna get third. That's still pretty good. Guys, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It will help out a lot. And we are here at the other side. Make sure to go check out my other channel, Landy Cakes, the one with the ninja looking logo. And yes. Oh, let's hit you. Wait. Oh. Do you want pizza? Oh, it's 43. I have 43. I got number 43. Where's number 43? Oh no. What? Where's number 43? Where is number 43? 43. Yes, pizza, pizza. Hey. Woo! No, let me press the button. No, let me just press it. People, just stop. Just stop. Woo! Woo! That was unfair. I'm gonna stand right here, so when the button happens, I'm just gonna be like, bop. Nah, this guy is lost. No. What? Yeah, this man lost. What? He is so low HP. He's gonna die. I know it. Maybe. I don't think so. Yeah. We're in space. Let's go. Where's the moon? Where's the moon? Where is the moon? Aliens? No, they're abducting me. No! Aliens abducted me and killed me. Oh! And that person got it. Oh. What? What? No. Woo! What? Yeah. Woo! We are safe. 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 We're gonna be safe. Let me go. I want to press the button. Press it. Press it. Oh, well, that was bad luck. Woo. What? What? That's hard. I lag. The boards fall off. You don't have to get to the other side. They're both the same height. Think fast. Oh! Pizza. That person did. That was lag. What the? This is easy. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. I keep pressing the jump button. I keep doing space. What? I didn't touch it and I die. That's rigged. Hurry, to the ground! No, 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 no. What? That's lag. That lava is so fast. Nobody survived them. What? Yeah, because they have a rainbow magic carpet thing. Woo! What? That was not even fair. I flung. Dun dun dun. Woo! Go to this. Yeah. Woo! Nobody won. What? Oh, they have a jetpack. Great, they cheated. I didn't. Wee. Well, that was boring. What happens if you don't go in the tube and you go on the outside? Or you fall out? Me the womp womp womp. Whoa, stay in the light. Whoa, this is cool. Just like in the crystal cave. Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 That was crazy. No, we're trapped. Help. You coin. What the? No. Hey, one more. And we do win. Hey, we got got in. Let's go. We won. Hey, no. Are you trying? She's trying to stop people from getting in. Well, at least we're safe. Hey. Ooh. This is gonna be fun. What? This game is... What? Okay, let's go to the shop. I'm gonna get ice cream. I want to get the bang, but what I mostly want... Wait a minute. I'm saving up for a cloud. I just win like every time. And then I can get my favorite thing, the blower that I want. What? Oh no! Everybody, stand on the middle! What? She just flew out. Woo! Whoa. What? I can't even make it. That was hard. That's so hard to make it. Unless you have a speed boost or a flying carpet. What the? Woo! There's giant potatoes! Woo! That's a giant, enormous ball. Someone doesn't have their hair anymore. I'll take it. Woo! No, no, no. Run, 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 run. She doesn't know where I am. Ooh. Hey, what? No, what if I don't get to compete for the next thing? Reach the exit. Parkour. Come on. I still got parkour. This is kind of hard. It's like so close together. But what if you just walk across? I'm better with longer jumps because they're like not like so close together. Yeah, because when you jump on that one, you can literally fall off. That one was hard. Person, please don't. Oh, hey, I made it. Let's go. That was easy. Correct color. What does that mean? What? What? Oh, I see. How do they both? Those things are like the most expensive. Yeah. Whoa. I don't think this person's trying. Like, they can win. I'm trying to get this game over with. Mr. Krabby Patty. How long is this one? Whoa. That was easy. Wait, what? Get to the bottom. What does that mean? Okay, collect coins.